Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about the Asus ROG Zephyrus laptop model. So friends, the ROG Zephyrus Duo 16 and G14 are now available. And friends, the gaming laptop features the newest AMD processors, RTX graphics, liquid metal cooling, and an integrated MUX switch. And friends, the ultra bright dual specification display, which includes a 14-inch customizable touch panel, allow user to simply switch between 4K 120Hz and Full HD 240Hz, ensuring intense gaming and smooth workflow. And friends, the G14 is tiny form and configurable LED and iMetric display allow for endless creativity and flexibility. And friends, the Zephyrus Duo 16 has an ultra bright mini LED display with 165Hz and 1100 nits of brightness with 512 local dimming zones, a contrast ratio of 1 lakh gem1 and over 4 million pixels. And it has a robust design with powerful components such as latest AMD Ryzen 7 6800H and AMD Ryzen 9 6980HS processor, a 32GB DDR5 memory with 4800 MHz and up to an NVIDIA GeForce 3080 GPU notebook graphics card. And friend, the integrated MUX switch also ensure even better graphic performance. And friend, second, Zephyrus G14 is an agile all-rounder due to its slim design with 14-inch display and weight of only 1.65 kg. And friend, an iMetric design is a real statement of an eye-catcher. And friend, it will be comes with AMD R7 6800HS and R9 6900HS processor and the AMD Radeon RX 6700S and 6800S mobile graphics card with MUX switch and vapor chamber, as well as the liquid metal cooling system ensure high performance in gaming and multitasking, even if the gaming fun lasts longer. And friend, if I talk about the pricing, the Duo 16 model is priced at €2,999 and G14 model is priced at €1,899. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.